Okay, first of all, we can make the rectangle to make the platform, and we can push it up in here. Okay, and now we can make the curve in here to make the curve platform and push it down in here. Okay, then we can make the another additional platform in here and push it up in here, and double click, right click, and also make group. Okay, then now we can change the color with the dark gray color, and now we can change the water materials with this water materials. Okay, then now we can make the pipe routing in here with using the line. Okay, we can use this one, and we can make this one and just place on the position in here. Okay, then now we can make again in here and just place on the position. Okay, and now we can make the another turn. Okay, then now we can assign with the curve, with the large curve, with the 2-point arc in here, and just place the curve in here. But we have to move for every single line in here. We have to move for the several line. We can move it up like 150 millimeter in here. And then now we can make the large curve with the 2-point arc. Okay, we can just place on the position and place the position in here. Then we can double click and select the pipe long path with the G8 ice power bar plugin. Okay, just like this, and then we can click this one, and move it up 150. Okay, then now we can make the curve in here, and also make the curve, and also make the curve in here. Okay, then now we can triple click and click pipe long path and click this one. Sorry, we have to make the curve. Okay, we can triple click and just place. Okay, and after that now we can click and adjust about the smoothness. Okay, we have to adjust so it will be appear for vertex. So we have to select all this connection for the junction, for every single junction in here. And okay, now we can select this one. Okay, then now we can assign with the color. Sorry, we can assign with the color materials, with the representative junction color material of the piping. Okay, just like this. Okay, and also this one, we can click this object and click this smoothness. We can make the smoothness lower than before on the left side. Then we can double click and select for every single junction with the shift on our keyboard. Okay, we can click shift and select the dark gray color in here, so it will be appear the connection. Now we can adjust again the connection. We can make it more smoothness and make it smoothness again. Okay, just like this. Okay, and then after that or maybe we can now make the another gray color to change with this one. Sorry, we can click, we can adjust again about the color to make it more representative. Now we can change with the color again. Okay, and then now we can select the metal materials. Okay, and then now we can select the shadow. Okay, just like this. Okay, I think that's all. So you can see about the another things, or maybe we can turn off the shadow, and then now we can make the another pipe routing in here. Okay, then we can make the another junction pipe. Okay, we can make the little junction. Sorry, we can click and make the little junction in here. Okay, and click. Okay, then now we can click this one, this line. We can click this pipe along path and okay, and select this all of the line, and select this one. Okay, so this is about the junction line, junction pipe anyway. Or maybe we can we can use the another color of the piping over there, just like this. Okay, thank you for watching, and just wait. Sorry, we can deactivate about the fog, and we can put the shadow like this. Okay, thank you for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you very much.